Hi guys, my friends. How are you? Okay, I have some surprise for you. My nose don't hear me. Oh, it's so big. I can't open. Sorry, I can't open it. I said it's opening or it's not opening. It's so big. I'm so tired. Hi guys! I do some fakes to you. Look, I have Canon kids. We can open it. 3, 2, 1, go! I'm doing so fast. Why I'm doing fast? The sticker is not okay. It's open maybe 20 times. It's right here, Turkish. Where are you opening? Hello. Whoa! I love them. Look at me. Oh, my nose. Here's something. It's like this. And like this. The blah blah blah. Tripod. Oof. I'm standing. Oof. It's not coming. You hide the camera. I'm going down. What is it? That is something about a box. Okay, I'm sitting. You're ready? Set, run. What I say run? I will say set, go. I said. Look here, microphone. You know microphone, how is it? It's like this. It's like a cat, maybe. Okay, I'm opening the camera. Oh, no, I can't open the camera because I'm so surprised. I'm so shocked. Look, I'm so shocked. I don't say anything. Oh, my hands! Doctor! The voice is so bad. You're hearing in video it is not voice is very big, but in real life it's so big. Again, it's not opening. My hand is going. You are not hear me because that is so bad. Hello, how are you? Could you again it was? Okay, maybe. Mom! Thanks to your business. It's my business, but you do my business. Look, it's tripod. We say before. It's like this. What is it? It's like we will put it hand. It's open and it was so good. I have your tripod. I'll put it like that. Eddie, you're kidding me. This time I was so bad ill. I don't. That is like a man. where can be open? I can read it. Oof, it's open with. It's like what? It's bigger and smaller. This is microphone. Hello, I'm in Mila's Lab channel. They are doing videos. How about you, man? Blah blah blah. Man says. See you. And this is the something about the camera. I know. I can say our friends. Look, it's like this. I like them. Two minutes later, and I was like this. 2 minutes later, I do like this. 3 minutes later, I do like this.
2 hours later.
Okay, we are going to the video again. This is the look. That. We will stick it there. It's a sticker I like. We put. This is the something. It's like this. Maybe I can do it to you. They say do like this and then put it. Okay, I do. That is okay. And then we will do anything. It is okay. We will put it in camera. Okay. We will put it here. The bean things, the rubbish is here. And this is the last thing. The camera. Okay, lastly. I'm saying last. Because I know lastly. What is lastly? Who is lastly? What is the word is in Turkish? Canon vlogger kid. My daddy is saying. Daddy, don't say play. Look. 2 years. Maybe. 20 days. Doing something. Here something. It's something I will open later. Okay, I will open this time because camera is last thing. Here's the pages. It's in Turkish. I'm so sad. Okay. What is it? I know. I can say something to our friends. They don't know maybe. It's like, sorry, the camera. It's like this. You will put it here. Camera. Maybe you can take photos or videos. There is something. But I know. Oh, my lovely thing, bubbles. I will play with this later. Camera. I will put. So, like, look. It's like this. Like this. I love it so much. That is YouTuber. I understand, but I didn't understand. We will do like this maybe. Or we will open that. Okay, I will do later for you. One more thing in box. Can you look? Give it to me. Ah, there's something. It's like surprise. It's like little surprise. You know, pocket. I'm so sad because pockets. I'm so tired and sad. There is something. What is it? It's something. I understand. Maybe we will. Could you please open? I understand. We will put it here. Better. It's my better thing. I will put it in it. So battery. And I will say better. Because it's better. Charge. Okay, so slow. This is camera part of it. We will put in. I'm pulling. I will keep here. I'm putting the camera thing. Okay, I can take it. Okay, that is finished. The video is finished. That is finished, and the something is finished. I said the camera kit is finished. Thanks for watching, guys.